أهلا بكم طالبات وطلاب الصف الأول الإعدادي. النهاردة هنبدأ أول دروسنا في الجيومتري. So let's have a look. Here I'm gonna remind you, or I'm gonna take a new concepts which are line segment, line, ray, angles, and all the kinds of angles. So let's have a look. Let's start our lesson. Geometry and measurement. The first concept is related to the line segment. It's a new concept for us. The line segment, what does it mean? The line segment is a set of points consisting of two distinct points and all points between them when we join them by a ruler. So we have to match between the 2 points with our ruler. Not allowed to match between them by curve or by handwriting. A line segment has 2 endpoints, and the symbol dash on top of the 2 letters is used to denote the line segment. And the opposite figure represents the line segment, whose endpoints A and B, and is denoted by AB, and we have to put a dash above it, or BA. So the order, it doesn't matter for all. Here we have AB 4 centimeters, or I can say it BA in the line segment. And then the line segment has a length, and this is the number which refers to the distance between its endpoints. So when I say AB equals 4, I mean the length of AB is 4. If the length of the line segment whose endpoints are A and B is 4 centimeters, then we write the length of AB and put the dash equals 4 centimeters, or AB without the dash equals 4 centimeters. And by the way, you can switch the order. You can say it AB or BA in the line segment. Second, the straight line. What does it mean? The straight line is a line segment extended from both directions infinitely. So it goes forever from the 2 directions. A straight line doesn't have a starting point and an end point. The straight line where the 2 arrows show that the line can be extended without limit in both sides. So it can be extended without limit. It goes forever from the 2 directions. The opposite figure represents the straight line which passes through the 2 points A and B and is denoted by AB, and we have to put above it straight line and put the 2 direction for this straight line, or BA, and the same, put the arrow above it. So what is the difference between a straight line and the line segment? The straight line, we don't have a length, but in the line segment we have length. Third, the ray. What does it mean? The ray is a line segment extended from only one of its terminals without limit. And that means I have a starting point and it goes forever, no end point. A ray has a starting point and it has no end point, and the symbol arrow on top of the starting point and any other point on the ray is used to denote the ray. If the line segment AB is extended from its terminal without limit in the straight line, and then we will get the ray AB and put arrow above it, which started at A and passes through point B, and it's denoted by the symbol AB and put above it arrow from one direction. If the line segment AB is extended from its terminal without A without limit in a straight line, we will get the ray BA, which started at B and passes through point A, and it's denoted by the symbol BA and put arrow above it. So what is the difference between ray AB and ray BA? In ray AB, the starting point is A because we wrote BA first, and then in the other one, the ray BA, the starting point is B. So a ray extends from one of its terminals without limit. It has no length. How do we know that? If I start from any point and it goes forever, no length, I cannot measure it. This is the third one. Now remark, each of the line segment, the straight line, and the ray is an infinite set of points. First, a line segment AB is a subset of the ray AB. Then, a ray AB is a subset of line AB. Here we have the angle. What is the meaning of angle? The angle is union of two rays with the same starting point, and the points is, and this point is called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called the two sides of the angle. Here we have this one. As you can see, here we have angle CAB or BAC. We can read it from any order, but we have to put the vertex in the middle. So, in the opposite figure, array AB and array AC are two rays having the same starting point, which is A. And this A is called vertex. Why? Because they both meeting at this point. Then, array AB union array AC give us the angle CAB. A is the vertex of the angle CAB because A is in the middle, and array AB and array AC are the two sides of the angle CAB. And here we have a new symbol, which is this red one. Is used to denote an angle. So starting from now, we are going to use this symbol. Here we have, for example, an angle can be named by letters 3 points. One letter from one side, and then one letter from the other side, and the third is for the vertex of the angle where the middle letter is the letter of the vertex. Then we write angle CAB or angle BAC. It can also be named by only of the vertex. How? Which point is in the middle? A, so I can rename it by A. We write angle A if no other angles shares the same vertex. The angle divides the plane in which it lies to the three sets of points that are, number one, set of points of the angle as BCH. B, C, and H. All of them are on the sides. Then the set of interior points from its name, interior, means inside the angles. For example, F is already inside the angle Y and Z. Then the third, the set of exterior points of the angle as M, K, O. All of them are out of the angle. So we have some points on the two sides of angles, and then we have some points inside the angles, and they are called interior points. And the third is for all the points that are outside the angle, which are exterior points. Measurement of the angle. The measurement of the angle is the number expressing the amount of happened divergence between its two sides. A protractor is used to measure an angle, and the angle is measured using degree unit, which is denoted by a circle. Above the number, we have to put a circle, small circle, to the right. And opposite figure represent an angle of measure 50 degrees. Then we write M is for measure. This symbol is for angle ABC equals 50 degrees. As you can see, by using the protractor, we start from A to move to B and then C. And here we have for the side BC, we have 50. So its measure is 50 degrees. And then we have a new concept for minute and seconds. Here we have a degree is divided in two parts smaller than it, and they are minute and second. 2 dashes for second and 1 dash for a minute. The degree equals 60 minutes. So 1 degree, and we have to put above it a small circle to the right, is equal to 60 minutes, which is 60, then put above it dash. The minute equals 60 seconds, as you know, if you are using a watch. Okay, here we have 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Above 60, we have to put 2 dashes. Now we have a new concept that are related to types of angles according to their measures. The first one, zero angle. Zero angle, it means its measure equals 0. The second, acute angle, and its measure is more than 0 and less than 90. From its name, acute. Acute means a small, okay? The third is for right angle. It's equal to 90 degrees sharp, okay? They are perpendicular in each other, the two sides of angles. The fourth, obtuse angle. Its measure is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So for example, I can put 100, 101, 120, 130. All of them are obtuse angles. The fifth is for straight angle. Straight angle means its measure equals 180 degrees. So actually we have a straight line. Straight line means it goes forever from the two directions. Number 6, reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 180 and less than 360 degrees. So as you can see, LMN. We start from L, then move till N. We moved more than 180 degrees, more than the straight angle, so I have reflex angle. Example 1. Mention the type of each of the angles whose measures are as follows. Number 1, 32 degrees. As you can see, it's less than 90 degrees, so it's acute. Question 2, 90 degrees. It's a right angle. 3, 110 degrees. It's more than 90 and less than 180, so it's obtuse. And then question 4, 180 degrees, so it's a straight line. Here I need you to focus in number 2 and 4. When I have 90 degrees, that means it's a right angle. And 180 degrees, that means it's a straight angle. that is my solution. And then question from EKB. The la 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 has a starting point but has no end point. Which one? Angle, line segment, ray, or a straight line? Here we have starting point, no end point. It goes forever from only one direction. So it's a ray. The correct answer is number C. Now we are going to take some more exercises on the board. Now, let's take some exercises to be clear for you. I'm going to draw some of them, then answer me, is it ray or line segment or straight line? Here I have two directions. As you can see, the arrows, it goes forever from the two directions. So it's the second one. I have only one direction, and here we have starting point A, B. It goes forever from only one direction, so it's ray. The third one. I have starting point and end point, which is A, and here we have B. So it's a line segment. One more time. The first one is a straight line because it goes forever from the two directions. The second one, it goes forever from only one direction, so it's a ray. And the third one is a line segment. Now, more exercises for angles. In this case, we have angle ABC. We can say it CBA, or we can say it as only B. So the angle, this is the new sample for us, angle ABC. And as you can see, we have to put the vertex in the middle. B is our vertex. Or we can call it angle CBA. Also, we can call it as only angle B. So I have three ways to rename it. The first one, angle ABC. The second, angle CBA. The third, angle B. Now, some types of angles. Let's have a look. Here we have the first one. It's less than 90, so it's acute angle. The second, it's more than 90, so it's obtuse angle. The third, it goes forever from the two directions, so it's a straight angle. Here I can rename it by any three letters, A, B, C. Here the same, we can say it X, Y, Z, and we can call it angle Y, and here by any two letters U and V. So here we have three types of angles. The last question is for this angle and this one. Here I have straight angle, but in this case we have more than 80. If it's 80, it should be like that. But I go down more than 180 degrees, sorry, it's 180 degrees, so and I go down more than 180 degrees. So it's reflex angle. That's all about our lesson. Thank you so much and see you next time.